In this video, I will show you how to duplicate a blog post in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside the website builder in Hostinger, and an easy way to duplicate your blog post is to first go to blog. As you can see, these are all of my blog posts, and to duplicate one of them, just click on these little three dots next to your blog post, then select duplicate. As you can see, now I have two of the same blog posts. And don't forget to update your website. And this is how to duplicate a blog post in Hostinger website builder. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.